So I found this at Walmart. There's 3 of these little Star Wars bobblehead thingies you can choose from. Each one makes a different selection of noises. So I got 2 of them. Out of the 3, I got 2 of them. And the 2 I got make awesome noises. Really cool. I don't know the exact technical name for this. Of course, I am blind. I really didn't get this read to me. So yeah. I'm not gonna sit here and apologize for it, but yeah. Anyways, so check it out. It makes noises. A really cool toy, especially if you're blind, or if you're not blind, shit. And you're an adult collector, really cool, just to have on your office table or in your man cave or something. Check it out. Check out the noises. See if we can capture it. $15. So you might say, wow, that's expensive. Not really. If you go to Walmart, all the good toys start around $12 and up.